This is the DAP spacer set for the Golf R. I think it's 15 in the back, 10 in the front. It's terrible outside, otherwise I'd have a shot of the car outside in the sunlight, but there is no sunlight right now. But in the garage I do have a good view of it next to a stock 7.5 GTI, so that gives you kind of an idea of stock fitment versus the space. This is what a normal 7.5 looks like as far as wheel offset, front and rear. And then this is with the DAP spacers, 10 front, 15 rear. Again, it's kind of a crowded space, but you can still kind of get an overall idea of how it looks. And at least the car is clean because I wanted to get bead maker on it before it rains for 3 days straight.